Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Samsung Smart TV 2025 powers button. Okay, as you can see the powers button location below the Samsung logo here. If you put your TV in this position, screen upside, okay, while your TV in the off position, one press to turn on the TV. Okay, now one press to the powers button and you will find some setting pop up on the screen. Okay, and if you do nothing, the setting will disappear in a short period. Okay, and one press to show it again. When the settings show up, now one press to the powers button to change selection. One press. So CH up, that means channel up, CH down, that means channel down. Okay, and here is volume up, volume down, source. Okay, and here is the power off. And now we're gonna try channel up. Press and hold to select channel up. As now we don't have any channel, so we can skip channel up and channel down. And now we select volume up, press and hold. You will see volume up, and one press to the powers button again, change to volume down, press and hold. Now volume is down. Okay, one press to change to source selection, press and hold. It's not available because we not connect any source to the TV. And finally, power off. Press and hold the powers button, and now we select power off to the TV. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can use the powers button on your Samsung Smart TV 2025 model. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.